This looks like a nightmare to paint, but I will show you an easier way to turn it white. So first thing first, we'll start by sanding the varnish, and we are using 120 grit sandpaper. We will now give it a quick rub. Now we have done sanding, we will use a dust brush to get rid of all the dust. Now that's done, we will be using 2-inch angled arrow-worthy brush and Dulux Quick Dry Eggshell Low Sheen Pure Brilliant White. We will also need a foam roller and a tray. We will start by cutting in. It's always better to take the handle off, so we will take the handle off now. Now we will paint the door, but we will also paint over here without worrying about the glass, because that actually seals the glass and seals the panels. I'll show you how to clean it because it's very easy to clean, and that's how professionals do it. Now the panels are done and we will roll the sides of the door. I'll show you how. To roll at the bottom, we need to secure the bottom. Secure the carpet. It's now done, so we will wait for the first coat to dry. We have done 2 coats and the paint is dried. I have put the handle back on. Now let me show you how to remove the paint from the glass. I've got this, which is a glass scraper. Now you don't have to have a glass scraper. You can use Stanley blade as well. Let me show you how we clean it. I'm just going to use the Stanley knife to cut around it. And then with the dust brush, we'll just go. This is how easy it is.